Here's my Audi A3 2.0 Turbo. I had an accident, well, my missus had an accident, so I've been rebuilding it and kind of got carried away. Bought a decat pipe and downpipe, bought an induction kit, bought some RS4 injectors, and also got the facelift front end to go on it. Still looking for the right bonnet for it. Got to get a new windscreen because the airbag went off, busted the windscreen. Already swapped over the dashboard because the airbag and the passenger when I've done the dashboard already, so I've got to put the steering wheel back on. Got a facelift rear bumper to go on it as well. As you can see, yeah, nearly there. But today I've had one good thing happen and one bad thing happen. So let's start with the goods. I bought a decat pipe. I've got, if you look under here, I've got the Miltech cat back already. I don't know if you're going to see the badge. You see it's on the tail. Yeah, Miltech cat back on there. And I wanted to get the decat, but obviously the Miltech decat is £500, or no, £300 something, and there's also a cheaper version that I found on eBay, but it has a restrictor on it. So what I did, I bought the cheaper version, cut the restrictor off, and then I got someone to weld on the rest of it, which keeps it straight through. It's a bit too long now, I need to cut it about here or so and then sleeve it. So that's a good thing I'm happy about. I need to, I forgot my hacksaw at work, so I'm kind of stuck on that one today. That's slightly annoying, but it's minor. That's gonna get sorted. There, I'm gonna put that onto there. I've already fitted the decat. Not quite finished yet, but it's nearly fitted. Also got some spacers for the rear wheels as well. These are 15mm. I think 20s will be better in the back. I'm gonna buy 20s and put the, look at this guy. Then fit the 15s in the front. The annoying thing that happened today was with the injectors. I didn't look properly when I bought it. I got excited when I saw some cheap S3 injectors from a 2015 model on eBay for, I think, £75 I paid. But if you look here, the part number's wrong. It needs to be 06L906036F, because that would mean that the injectors would stay the same as these. With probably just better flow. The connector is bigger. The end bit here is also thicker than this one, so I already looked to see if I can swap them in. It's not gonna happen as far as I'm aware, so that's annoying, very annoying. Yeah, the rail, I can't just swap the entire rail over because the rail is different, it fits differently from what I can see. Yeah, the fuel pressure valve or release valve sits there. I don't even know if that's the fuel pressure release valve on here. It probably is, but it's just completely wrong. It's not gonna work. Very, very annoying. Obviously this is my induction kit. I've got the I can't remember what it's called now, but you guys know that kit, you see it on eBay as well. Managed to find a little engine cover that would go quite nicely. Whoops. something like that. So it's gonna look pretty good when it's done. But yeah, I don't know, might just put it back together today with, oh my god, look what these kids are doing to my PCV valve. Jesus Christ. And this is brand new as well. These crazy boys. Yeah, that's it for now. See, I had a crash, done a little bit of work to straighten out the legs. If you see my other video how I done it with the recovery truck. What else have I got in the garage? It's the old dashboard. See, the airbag's gone. Bought a slam panel, and with a rad pack. It's got the S3 intercooler to go in. I've got some water in there to see if it's going to leak out, but it doesn't seem to be leaking out. But this has also been modified by the previous owner. It's quite annoying. I didn't notice it when I bought it, but obviously I got the induction kit now. It doesn't really matter. That's the old front bumper. See that shape? That's the new front bumper. Go on there. Wrong colour. So annoyed when I bought it on eBay. The guy said it was LZ5C. It turned out to be LZ5A. Oh well. I'm gonna get it resprayed. Get the headlights. It's a facelift rear bumper to go on there. And underneath all this rubbish is aluminium and steel bits. Come out of here! You don't come in here, Noah. Oh. I'm gonna take it to the scrapyard the other day, and they tried to rip me off because it was alley and steel. So I was gonna see if I can clean it a bit, get some more alley out of the steel, so I can get a bit more money for my bits. Got a little cat there now. I'm gonna sell. And before I took that out, I'd already taken out the pre-cat. Yeah, had a blow, that's why I went for the D-cat. That's it for now, guys.